Hello everyone, I am Sehaj. Today I will narrate a story on the peacock and the nightingale. Peacock and the nightingale. Now let's start the story. There was a beautiful jungle. Jungle had wide variety of trees, animals and birds. There lived a peacock also in the jungle. Peacock danced merrily and happily, spreading his feathers in rainy days. One fine rainy day, the peacock was dancing merrily and happily. Suddenly, he thought of singing and he started singing and he got to know that his voice was not melodious like his beautiful body. So he was very sad and started crying. Ooh, 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 and tears rolled down from his eyes. One nightingale also lived in that jungle. Nightingale came to Peacock and asked him, "Oh my dear friend, why are you crying and why are you so sad?" Then Peacock replied, "I don't have a melodious voice like you." The nightingale said, "I am a tiny bird. I have a melodious voice, but I don't have a beautiful body like you. I always sing merrily and happily, and I thank God for giving me such a melodious voice." Then Peacock understood that I should never complain to God for bad voice, but I should thank God for giving me such a beautiful body. From that day, Peacock danced merrily and happily, spreading his feathers in rainy days. So, moral of the story is never ever complain to God that you don't have, and thank God that you have. Thank you.